Fred, wake up.
Oh, yeah, sorry, boss.
Fred, there's a light you need to fix on Baker Street. Go there now.
Oh, alright, I'll get right on that. Ooh, is that an apple tree? Apples are so good.
Fred, what are you doing?
Oh, sorry, boss, I'll get back to work.
Yeah, you better get back to work.
Haha.